Evening, folks. We are live. I'm going to refresh my time here at 11:32 p.m. as the time just rolled over. Where are we at? All right. Oop. Stand by. We are live at 11:32. That's one I posted. Running for Matt's 20-back Jawa. I got 50 spots. Then I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winners. Paste them in there. There they are. 1 through 50. Gonna roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 6er. So we're good to go. Good luck, guys. Here we go. A Lucas, round 1. Phil, 2. Salvador, 3. And 4. Jason, round 5. And our winner is Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. And at number 19. Congratulations, sir. Here's the verification code to fish results. KRUIVD. Beetlejuice in at number 19. Which means I'm done at 11:33 p.m. There it is. Again, here's the official results in our winner. Beetlejuice in at number 19. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thanks.